to the third demo, which is in the context of multimodal AI, because Google talks a lot about the fact that Gemini is multimodal. Now, what does it mean that an AI model is multimodal? Well, it basically means that the input can be any type of data. It can be images, text, audio, video, and the output can be any type of data. It can be images, text, audio, and video. And so because Google makes a big fuss about the multimodal capabilities of Gemini, we absolutely wanted to explore this as well, and we created a custom demo for this in the context of fashion. And the idea is that you can search in a very detailed way on items in the context of fashion. So basically fashion articles like clothes. And so what did we do? We started with a data set of around 16,000 pictures, which is just a public data set. And every one of these pictures is not right now live, but before it was sent to Gemini 1.5 Pro. And Gemini 1.5 Pro gave us a description, so just in natural language, a description, and some structured information. For example, what is the main color, what is the pattern, where is a logo, what is the text on it. And so all this information is given to us by Gemini, completely automatic. So it was one batch process. Here are 16,000 images, and it just analyzed every one of them and gave us the results. And all those results are stored in a database. And now when a user gives a textual search query, for example, an orange t-shirt with big text, it will search on those descriptions and on the structured information. So it will also use Gemini to transform the search query to some structured information. For example, color is orange and text size is big, for example. And it will give us back all the results. And again, I would love to show that to you now. So this is what the demo looks like. It's just a very simple user interface. It's not completely tuned to a specific use case or anything. But let's start by making it very easy. So I just say a t-shirt. Right? So all the systems that have a t-shirt on it, it will give back the results. And now I can make it a little bit harder, for example, with stripes. This is information that is typically not always available for fashion retailers that have all this information. This is all automatically generated by Gemini with no human interference whatsoever. By the way, you also see here the descriptions that Gemini gave. So for example, a white baseball shirt with black stripes and black sleeves. The logo is on the left sleeve near the shoulder. It's a small black square with the text Urban Classics. I don't see this on this specific t-shirt. Maybe it was in another picture that it was more clear. But these are all the descriptions that Gemini generated. And now I can say, for example, with big text. Again, loading search results. So now we have all t-shirts with stripes and big text. All right, let's change the color, for example. I want a red t-shirt with stripes and big text. Again, there we go. And then we can say, for example, with big text that says 39. And this is the result that we get. So we get a red t-shirt with stripes, big text that says 39. And what I think is also very powerful now is, for example, if I go to Google Translate and translate this to Italian, and I have just completely the same search query, but let's change 39 to Spain. So I'll try to pronounce it. Una maglietta rossa a strisce con la scritta grande che dice Spain. Yeah? Okay. Okay, very good. But again, Gemini understood it as well, and we get exactly what we asked for with this t-shirt. So it's by design, it's multilingual as well. So we can translate this to any language, and it will always work like this. Maybe just one more thing. So we also have another data set where I can ask, for example, a white t-shirt with dots. There we go. These are all dotted t-shirts. And then I can say, for example, and a logo in the middle. And again, there we go. You don't really see the dots very clearly, but Gemini saw them. And if you look very closely, you see that there are dots on this image. So this is even something that Gemini correctly indexed as well. All right, and so yeah, as mentioned, this is data that is not typically available at retailers, and it's all, yeah, if there are 10,000 new products, it's just one click on the button, and Gemini will generate all this metadata again, and it's all automatically generated, both in a structured way and in a structured way in the form of a description. So this really showcases the power of these foundational models and these large language models and these multimodal AI models. And I hope I inspired you with these demos. And if there are any questions now or later, you can always ask them. Thank you.